How to add a signature to emails in Gmail. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to add a signature to emails in Gmail, open your mail first. You will see settings option, tap on that and then tap on general. Scroll down until you see the signature option and tap on create new. Now firstly, name your signature and tap on create. Now enter the details you want in your signature. You can change the font, make the font bold, italic, or you can also underline the text. Change the color of the signature if you want. You can also attach links and images accordingly. Now under signature defaults, tap on the drop downs you see there and select when you want the signatures to appear. I will tap on my name and now, most importantly, do not forget to tap on the Save Changes option in order to save the changes we just made. And now if you compose a mail, you can see the signature appears automatically. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.